In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Robinhood. We'll walk through the web version on your computer, and I'll point out helpful tips so you can get in quickly and securely. First, open your browser and go to the official Robinhood login page. The safest way is to type the address directly into the address bar or use a trusted bookmark you've saved before. Avoid clicking on random links or ads, and double check that you see a padlock icon in the address bar along with the correct website address. That small check helps make sure you're on the real site and not a lookalike. Once you're on the login page, enter your email and your password. Take a moment to verify that caps lock isn't on and that you haven't accidentally added any extra spaces, especially if you copy and paste from a password manager. If you use a password manager, let it autofill for accuracy. When everything looks correct, click the Login button. Next, you'll most likely be asked to complete an extra security step. This is called two-factor authentication, or 2FA, and it's there to protect your account even if someone somehow learns your password. Depending on how your security is set up, you might receive a code by text message, a code by email, or be asked for a code from an authenticator app. If you get an SMS code, keep your phone nearby and enter the numbers exactly as shown before the timer runs out. For email codes, check your inbox and, if needed, your spam or promotions folder. Authenticator app codes change every 30 seconds, so open your app and use the current code on the screen. Enter the code you're prompted for and submit it to finish signing in. Only use one method at a time, the one Robinhood requests on screen. A few quick tips if something seems off. If a text code doesn't arrive, make sure you have cell signal and wait a moment before requesting a new one. For email delays, refresh your inbox and confirm you're checking the right email account. If an authenticator code isn't working, confirm the time on your phone is set automatically so codes stay in sync. And remember, never share any of these codes with anyone. After your code is accepted, you'll be logged in and ready to use your account. That's all there is to it. Go to the official login page, enter your email and password, click Login, and complete the 2FA prompt to confirm it's really you. Stay safe and enjoy your session.